What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a trade I took on EURAUD around May 4th. Now, the first thing that we need to establish before we even go into why I entered this trade is the trend, because the trend is your friend. You never want to trade against the trend. There are people out there that counter trend trade, but for me, I think the smartest decision to make is just to trade with the trend. So we can obviously see that we are in a downtrend, and by the time I take this trade, we have nothing telling us that we need to start looking for buys. So once I notice that the trend is very strong and it's going down, I also notice that we have a double top right here. You can see how we have this M formation right here. But one thing that I did notice after that was that price never tested the neckline of this formation. So if we look at this, we never really got the retest of this neckline. So once price comes back into this area, we can see that we get this head and shoulders forming. And a head and shoulders is just more confirmation to what we are already expecting to happen, right? We're in a downtrend. We see a pattern telling us that price is going to go down. We're waiting for the neckline retest. And then once price comes into the area where the neckline would be, we also get another reversal pattern, the head and shoulders. And you can see that I took my trade right here where this blue line is. I took it on the formation of the right shoulder, and I ended up exiting the trade right here at the 4-hour support because I wasn't sure if price was going to continue going down or not, because a lot of times when you see these huge formations like that, it can end up being a fake out or just a reason for people to get stopped out in the market. So for me, I only caught roughly 105 pips, give or take. But if you would have held this to the next level, like I usually do with a lot of my trades, is you would have roughly got about 500 pips, give or take, when you've entered. So this was the trade that I took on EURAUD. It was very, very simple, just required a little bit of patience. You know, we noticed this double top over here, and we had to wait basically 10 days for this to set up before we could take the trade that we were waiting on. So, you know, that's just the name of the game. Forex is just patient traders taking money from impatient traders. So if you guys have any questions or are confused about anything that I showed in this video, please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help you out.